Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, people, world, whoever, wherever. Anyway, shaved my head, shaved my face. Feel a lot better, 1,000 times better. Um, yeah, I got a lot of things I gotta do because on Friday, today's Sunday, so on Friday I'm heading out to Colorado to go start my new travels, my new job, being a boom truck driver for the railroad. Yeah, so I'd like to get this cab off. Uh, I'd like to get the cab off today, and I don't know if that's going to happen. Mainly because this thing is going to weigh 1,000,000 pounds, so I might have to take the doors off. I don't really want to take it off piece by piece, but if I have to, I guess I will. But yeah, so at least I'm starting on it. I'd like to get this cab off, and if I could, if I have it on a lift, the engine lift, the cherry picker, whatever you want to call it, I kind of want to roll this out, roll Project Crack Pipe out, and set the cab at least on there, so I can figure out what the heck I got to start cutting. Yeah, that's my main goal for today and for the week. I will be working tomorrow, but like I said in a previous video, I'm going to be bringing a manager to LA to pick up his truck, hopefully. Hopefully they're not going to work me like they've been working me, because I told him Friday was my last day, and he basically said, no, one more, just come in next week. And I was like, well, I'll come in Monday. And then he said, yeah, I'll just have you bring me to pick up my truck. And I was like, all right, I'll come in Monday for free pay, basically. But yeah, so yeah, hopefully that's it for tomorrow. And then Tuesday, maybe Tuesday, I can start cutting on this. I kind of want it on Tuesday. Wednesday I gotta get ready, so I gotta pack a bunch of clothes. I want to wash the Acura because that's my go-to car. As you can see, this thing's filthy, so might end up washing that today. This truck still looking clean. With all this sap everywhere because freaking tree. Can't stand all this sap. Got the sap, well, I was scrubbing on it in the shower, but I had a bunch of sap on my hand. It's all over in the house. So there's the bed for the 64 Chevy. My kid and me sat it down over here. We'll walk around. It's not that bad a condition. Yeah, I don't know about these gold wheels. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. I wanted them a little darker. Stupid plastic dip. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna wash the car this week, and then I'll park the truck in the barn. I want to get the cab off, like I said, and I want to get this rolling chassis out of here. So I already have the steering disconnected, brake boosters disconnected. I'll probably disconnect the shift linkage with this nail. It's funny. Anyway, disconnect that, disconnect a couple more wiring things. I gotta see how much fuel's in the tank and drain it. But that's easy enough, it's just right there. So, as you can see, man, what did I do to this rear end. All I did was jack it up, now it's leaking. Oh man. It's like I broke it or something. But anyway, as you can see, this guy converted this rear. It was a trailing arm truck. As you can see, there's the purchase for the trailing arms. And he put in a leaf spring from a different truck. So I don't know what rear end this is. I don't know if I even want to look into it. I don't even know if I care. As you can see, this is bent here. I think this is bent from when I pulled the truck up. When I pulled the truck up from the hill where it was broken or stuck. I think that's right where it got bent. And then this, I'm assuming just bent because of this came in together. I'm not entirely sure that I bent that. But anyway, that's easily replaceable. So to convert this back over to a spring truck, basically, or a trailing arm truck, you'd have to replace this piece, this cross member that they cut. I don't know what that houses. I'm sure it probably houses a track bar of some sort to keep the axle straight. Yeah. Anyway, that's why I wanted to do something like this, because I knew the frame was hacked up under there. So that's why I wanted to do something like this. The plan is to get rid of these wheels and tires, lower the rear. I ordered that kit a long time ago. I ordered the kit and they had a back order. So it was back ordered, they said, for like 2 months, and I said, okay, just cancel the order. And that's mainly why I bought that 3D printer, is because I had PayPal money in my account, and I ended up buying that 3D printer because the money for the rear lowering kit, or the whole lowering kit, because it's 3 inches in front, 5 inches in the rear for the 4-wheel drive. But anyway, that's enough babbling on about this video. But yeah, the plan is to get this cab off today, roll this out, and put the cab on it. So I'm gonna go get situated, go upload some videos, wait for the kid to wake up, or wake the kid up, and then yeah, bring the engine lift out here, figure all that out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment below, subscribe to me up here. Go check out my buddy's videos, 1 and Glenn, and then check out the last video. Alright, later.